Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bhavya. I hope you are all safe and healthy. So, वीडियो के टाइटल ने काफ़ी क्लियर कर दिया होगा what this video is about. So, I bought a new helmet and in this video I'll do a quick unboxing and give my first impressions about it. So, here's the helmet. It's the Exor Apex Venomous helmet. ये मैंने लास्ट दिसंबर में प्लान करा था टू बाय दिस वन, बट तब ये आउट ऑफ स्टॉक था. सो इट्स फाइनली बैक एंड हियर इट इज़. मैंने अभी तक ये ओपन नहीं करी एक बार भी, काफ़ी मुश्किल से कंट्रोल करा है. सो लेट्स गेट स्ट्रेट इनटू इट. सो इट इज टाइम. oops. Here it is. Let's keep the box aside for some time. So I see Axor branding here and here, and that's a decent quality cover. I'm very excited. Here it is. So guys, do tell me in the comment section how you like it. So this is it. So let me give you a quick overview of this helmet and then we'll peel off the stickers and try it. So here comes the Exor branding. It is a 3D logo, not a print. You can have a closer look. And starting from this side, this is the sun visor button. I'll come to it later. This is the side profile. Now front we have a vent in here. This is the visor. Then this side and here it says Venomous, the range we can call it. This is the back exhaust. We have two exhausts on the top of this helmet as well. And so yeah, this is it. Let's have a look at the box contents. So this is the cover. Then we have this is spoiler. I'll show you what is this. Then we have this is a basically manual guide. And we have one Exor brand sticker. This is really useful. It has all the blood group stickers on it, so you can paste it on your helmet, and in case of accident or something, like it's really helpful to let know the doctor about your blood group. This is some reflector stickers, and there's also an Exor branded keychain. So let's keep all the mal masala aside. So let's take the spoiler out. Okay. So now we'll talk about the specifications of this helmet. So this is an ABS shell. ABS की full form बहुत complicated सी है, तो मतलब मेरे को बोलना नहीं आता. I'll write it in the description box. So it says aerodynamic. The build, the make of this is aerodynamic. Also this spoiler. Let me open it. This is the spoiler. It is to be attached on the back side of the helmet over here. And these are some more parts of the spoiler. We'll see how to use them. So talking about the specifications, it says aerodynamic, ABS shell that I told you already, anti-scratch visor. So this visor is anti-scratch and also anti-fog. I'll come to that later. Bluetooth compatible. If you want to connect intercom or install intercom in this, we have slots for that. And it says D-Ring. Okay, so now coming to D-Ring, this helmet is .NEC certified. So जैसे इंडिया में ISI certification होती है for safety, so DOT is of United Nations of America, वो वहाँ की certification है, and EC is of Europe. So this is like these certifications basically judge the durability, the safety this helmet provides. So it is quite a strong helmet, I'll say. It weighs around 1500 grams, it says here, and this size is XL. I bought XL for myself. I tried it on the shop. So now it's finally time to peel the stickers. Let's do it. I've waited this for so long. There you go. And we have one more sticker over here. So now coming to the sun visor. Basically this is a clear visor, but protection from for the protection from the sun, we have a sun visor which you can bring down from this button. If you pull it back, it comes down here, you can pull it. So this is quite useful. This was one of the major consideration जब मैं helmet ले रहा था, काफ़ी helmets में नहीं था, तो I rejected them straight because I really wanted this. This is very useful. Now coming to the padding, it is very soft and thick. This is completely removable and washable. The chin guard is also removable and washable, so this is very useful. So over here, this is what you call the nose guard. And now coming to the straps, so it comes with a D-ring. This is basically the fastening belt, like the method of fastening the belt over here. So D-ring is considered as the safest way of fastening this belt. So I'll show how it's done in the later part of this video. And what else is left? Okay, yeah, the visor. So as I mentioned earlier, it is anti-scratch, and also I mentioned it's anti-fog. So let me tell you how it works. So here you can see another visor insert in this. Another visor insert inside this visor. See this part I'm talking about. So this is what we call the pin lock insert. So this basically helps in the anti-fog feature. Now let me show you how to install this spoiler on this. So we have a hole here, and two holes here. This is basically the outside vent from which the air will come out. So we have 4 points over here. So what you have to do is just install the middle two, and the other two will fit. So okay, what way? This is the way it's gonna go. Just press it inside and over here. Okay, so it fits. So yeah, it actually adds to the look. You can see this spoiler, it gives it that edgy look, and also it helps in that aerodynamic function. And one interesting thing, I'm not sure if it will be visible on the camera, from these two you can see the eyes of the snake. So it looks like a 3D kind of effect, but it's really amazing. So I really like this 3D eyes effect. The other two attachment in the spoiler container was this lid. So if you don't want to install this complete spoiler, you can just attach this grill to that part. So it's basically just covering the air outlet part, and these are the two screws. If you use this grill, the two slots I showed you here and the other part, you can install these screws in there. Now coming to the D-ring, so this is how you have to fasten the belts. This is one end and this is the other. So you have two buckles over here, this 1 and 2. So what you have to do is take this buckle from both of them, then separate one, take it this way, and it's tightened over here. I am not able to show it clearly over here, so I'll suggest किसी और YouTube channel पे देख लेना, या फिर ऐसी how to fasten a D-ring. So yeah, that's pretty much, I've covered all the points about this helmet. So yes, now talking about the color options available and its price. So it's available in 3 options: neon green, grey and very dark blue, and all the 3 colors are available in matte and gloss finish. So I personally like gloss, so I took gloss and like neon green. Yes, I bought neon green. लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे चमकेगी अलग से या दिखेगी ग्रे और ब्लू would be a better option, but मेरे को यही पसंद है. So next time you see this helmet anywhere on the road, most probably it's me. Now talking about the price of this helmet, on the box it's mentioned the MRP of this helmet is 4994, which is basically 5000, and I bought it for 4800. I didn't buy it from their website, I bought it from offline market. So yeah, that was this for this video. I hope you like it. I hope I have covered all the points I wanted to share. बिकॉज जब ये लेने से पहले मैंने भी यूट्यूब पे वीडियो सोचा था देखता हूँ, बट जितनी भी वीडियोस मिली उसमें मतलब ऐसे कंप्लीट सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिली, सब कुछ अच्छे से बताया और दिखाया नहीं गया था. सो आई थॉट कि आई विल मेक दिस वीडियो एंड मेंशन ऑल द पॉइंट्स. डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन व्हाट हाउ यू लाइक दिस हेलमेट, क्या चीज़ पसंद आई और एनी अदर थिंग. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.